Have you ever walked into a room knowing what to expect and then boom, your perspective shifts? And I think the same happened with me and my students when we first entered into the district court of Mathura. The thing that started as a normal school visit changed the whole perspective. With me today I have Dishi, Garv and Meghna with me. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. You're fine.
How was your trip to the district court of Mathura?
Ma'am, it was nothing like we imagined.
We thought it would just be a big courtroom as we see in movies.
But there were so many courtrooms, civil court, session court and family court, even an additional court.
Very nice. I think students या जो हमारे parents हैं, we have seen courtrooms in the movies. We have seen witness boxes, है ना? We have judges or the lawyers with the long black capes and coats and everything, with people sitting very quietly. So ऐसा था क्या कुछ? Was it like that?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It was nothing like that. There was so much chaos in the courtroom, outside the courtroom, and lawyers were running over here and there for their paperwork.
So tell me something about your experience. कितना shocking था? कितना expected था? Anything?
So when we entered the court, we saw this huge building, and instead of one big courtroom, as we thought, we saw multiple labeled rooms.
I asked the lawyer and he explained how each court handles a specific type of cases. Family one, go to family court. Criminal one, go to session court.
Very nice.
I used to think that judge just come and give decision. But in real life, it's more complex. It's slow and procedural.
Exactly, because whatever we see on the movies, I think the reality is much more different, na? So, Dishi, can you tell us something interesting about the courtroom?
Yes, ma'am. Reality is different from movies. As in films, we see that lawyers are argumenting with each other, shouting, and a big statue of justice. But there is nothing like that.
And did you see the Bhagavad Gita over there?
ma'am, it's
Kasam
just-
khane ke liye?
No, ma'am. It's just like it's just shown in movies. There was nothing.
Nothing like that.
No, ma'am. Judges are not. Judges are also not giving a long speeches.
Like shown in the movies,
Yeah.
na, where they talk about emotions
Yes,
and
ma'am.
ethics and everything.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Acha, I remember one thing very interesting. Garv, we heard that you met a criminal. How was that?
Ma'am, that was a very interesting moment. And yes, I met a criminal. He was standing just a few feet away from
Wow.
us. The moment was intense. And that moment told us the importance of justice, why we need justice, other than we see in movies.
So, what do you think? Criminals, do they look like criminals? Scary? Something like that?
I think they are just the normal peoples, but it is completely different as we see in movies.
Okay.
It is completely different.
So, I think criminals are not people with that marks and, you know, scary looks with bloodshot eyes and everything.
No.
Wow, that means a normal person that is sitting near you in a courtroom can be a criminal, right? Nice, very good.
I want to add one more thing, ma'am.
Yes.
As we met a public prosecutors, they were really gentlemen, and as we earlier thought, the lawyers were very arrogant. But there was nothing like that. They were different. They were polite. They helped us. They were very busy, but still it guided us.
Wow, means people actually take up this profession to help others. And I think Indian judicial service is actually based on helping people.
Yes, ma'am.
Ki you help out people, those who are in need of your help. Because as we live in India and we have 70% population living in villages and everywhere, we require, you know, lawyers and advocates like this, जो उन्हें help out कर सके ना, because everybody cannot afford the legal services, right?
Ma'am, I remember of one funny thing.
Okay.
It's like kinda manipulation.
Oh.
I show a lawyer that with her client, he was saying to her that she should keep quiet. He will handle everything in the courtroom.
Oh, मतलब he was saying कि आप चुप रहिए, he will handle.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. So the real situations we encountered. So tell me one thing that did you meet anybody who was very impressive, with impressive personality, impactful, somebody जिसको देख के आपको inspiration मिली, somebody like that?
Yes, ma'am. We meet Chief Judicial Magistrate Dr. Utsav. Can you believe it? He was so humble yet powerful with his words. He told us, your voice matters if you believe in justice.
Wow.
It started from the choices you make today. That inspired all of us. His words were that much inspiring that he became our role model.
That's nice. I think we all need people like that who are very empathetic towards people, who inspire us, right? अच्छा, आई रिमेंबर अ वेरी फेमस डायलॉग फ्रॉम घातक मूवी जहाँ पे सनी देओल कहते हैं कि जज साहब फेंक दो ये कानून की किताबें, एंड व्हेन द जज गिव्स देम अनदर डेट से तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख. तो आई कैन कनेक्ट टू दिस पॉइंट कि डू वी हैव समथिंग फॉर पीपल हु आर पुअर और कम्स फ्रॉम दैट सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी जो लीगल सर्विसेज नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते, वो क्या करते हैं इस केस में?
We met the government defense lawyer, and they work for the people who can't afford a private lawyer, and they save basically innocent people from false charges. And his story is about saving those poor people really inspired me. And then मुझे एहसास हुआ कि heroes always don't wear capes. Sometimes they wear black coats.
Oh my god, that is very, I got a goosebumps कि heroes हमेशा सभी heroes capes नहीं पहनते. Everybody cannot be a superhero. There are heroes who wear black coats, है ना? People who save people from false charges and getting that sentence to whatever they're suffering and everything. That's really good. Nice. Acha guys, tell me, after all this experience, this visit and everything, what do you think? Who should take up legal services as a career option?
Those who are good at speaking and debates.
Those who are good in researching and planning.
Okay.
Ma'am, out of everything, I think people who have empathy towards pupils, other pupils, they should take legal services.
Oh no, now that's good. People who can empathize with people who have that gesture to help other people.
People who understand others'
Others' feelings
feelings
should
or-
take up the legal services. Now that's very good. That's a good point to end our discussion. Okay.
At last, I would thank my teachers and my school to giving us this opportunity to visit the court.
I feel proud to be a student of Kana Makhan Millennium School, where education is not restricted between four walls, but outside also.
If you are a student and listening or watching to this podcast, I would like to say that education is not about books and classrooms. It is about practical knowledge. And Kana Makhan Millennium School gives their students the practical knowledge where they can prepare themselves to become the world leaders. This is me signing off. Thank you.